What's up, lovelies? As you may see, I am not dreading it, but I have a task on my hands that's going to take a lot of work. Y'all, it was box on top of box on top of box. Pull this, pull that. Y'all, this box was actually shy of 400 pounds. So I couldn't even sit it up, y'all. I had to get my muscle me in, okay? I needed some help. So I am literally just opening this box up because my task for today is putting the pool together. So I do want to take my time while my other family members are just cleaning and doing some other stuff around the house. This is my task for today. So I do want to take my time to make sure I put this together right. So I'm just opening it up, looking at everything, going box for box, and luckily they have everything like numbered and labeled just to make it a little bit easier, and so you can kind of go through the order on how it should go. I am going through the manual because you know me, I want to make sure everything is put together right the first time, the one and only time. As you can see husband Cam working on the driveway. Like, we literally getting my house together. We did a deep clean room by room, y'all. I am so glad we did it. I slick dreaded it a little bit, but it definitely needed to be done. Y'all, the wind was not my friend, okay? Not at all. So we have started doing that. And now we are finally like getting to the happy, joyful part of it. So my kids agreed on getting a pool this year instead of taking a family trip. So that's where we at right now. So the first part where I put it at was not ideal. It was too close to the house and all that. So we went a little further back on our land. Yeah. Cam's so funny, y'all. You better talk that talk, baby, okay? But I needed their help because that part of the pool was super duper heavy. So I needed them to help move it over there for me so we can get this thing going. So once you get it all spread out, after you pick a spot, it has to sit in the sun for a little bit. It helps kind of get everything a little bit loose, make it easier to handle. So once we got that squared away, I just let that sit for 2 hours in the sun. Now I'm just kind of taking a peek at them to see what they got going on and enjoy this weather and soak it on up, okay? One thing about my husband, he gonna come up with some way to refurbish something before letting it go. I'm the one like, no, I'm trying not to be no hoarder. So if I'm like, I ain't touched it, I ain't seen it or even looked at it in a long time, like, let's just trash it. My husband, completely different. It don't matter what reasoning I give him, he gonna have a reason why we keeping it. And he gonna refurbish it and make it look brand new, okay? So now that it's been sitting out there for a couple hours, Amaya is helping me. We are just about to put this pool together. So we just doing like the framework for it. We getting everything all figured out. It's working out really well. Much easier than I expected. It is tedious as far as all the pieces and parts and stuff. But definitely didn't take too much long of a time. Now, it is hot outside, so I'm sweating. I'm getting my little cardio in, busting the sweat. But it's all good, y'all. So now we got the framework up, looking good. Now I'm about to try to put this sand filter together and hook it up. The people came out so they can fill the pool water for us. Definitely a shorter amount of time than us trying to get it filled ourselves using just like a water hose. So not too bad. So Cam is in there. He trying to get all the wrinkles and stuff out. Y'all, it was so hot. I needed to grab some water for everybody. Like, let's stay hydrated. We can't have nobody passing out. Next thing you know, now the girls in there helping him. Like, it was a great time, y'all. I am definitely going to check with y'all later so y'all can see the final touch. Peace out, lovelies.